Abuja magra be the building o ti ase neso ade ase ache magra he base abaha na ye wo stories mi ensa bi ka ho asem Shatawale yesi ache no NDA awo USA na donko ata nsem bi because yesi ehwe ne ka ho asem because bufu ankasa and then the third one no oh my goodness yesi man bi a wa ma ya che ne yere yesi ase na buziazi started there. They started with man now. What my action because that man is a snitch. Abuzia story is very simple. Yes, man be an a year quaduma and an a year and be an happiness on one day. You know, in a deal said you and no birthday. Near the birthday a couple of months later. Near starting Mekiska like yes, now about textbook so saying. Near starting Mekiska, mine even a wow and Tiasi. And as you're very and a year and a bar, you know, Bacachan so could be a store now. Store now be Ebe cost about 35,000 cedis. That's 350 million cedis. And I need to say now go for the scan one. Make good mean is a scan. Now why you at your free mum? And yes, you couldn't say no be shame. I've been any couldn't call shame. Salad the name Ranes can be. Just a textbooks now not on the turn will be kind of black market at the and no D making coins. And a bear man am I actually hearing a tomb. How quite imagine. Would you see a video of me who I think CGH TV swap? Now, much lecture same room. You are very account was it.
Now, a penny a funny Enoch Obri. One no one and a year. A year Esther Obri and at a one more a demu so you didn't come pa efe. I if you don't do in Abemu was Senator say Empetia or Banis to say fair. Now, Enoch ya making was me was it 7 previous. At one time I say MF for fun and quiet. So we knew a background for. Ebetina demu eti said the wako to jata anase ba na wote tete no fie se wonyi bebe ye pani na komodi na wodi nani bre ebeba wo so na inakua nka se ede na yire ehu report akoma adwuma mu panifo amena ameka se na yire egina court a enya samketoa na asem ni na ni se inakua obri wona na yire nete ana chese yese na yire no adwuma no wom a na chese wo mo ton eye textbook yibi yes 2017 and I just say no reason ye one na atina se edi twadua edi si enkata so twa ne we edi koma so no adwuma we bedu no nya bi wa resign to atifie and
Abuja is not like say boyfriend girlfriend when your man worry your wedding nyina for better for worse no me just say pastor ne duru no kan ye ba we dey cry of us o ja na adwuma no wo dey ku yim
na yesi ababa wa Esther tifie no wonu otifie so adwuma wo ye no wo so obi a osora no pa edwale kwa adwuma sika wo dwirigu ni botom no enye sika ketoa yesi Esther tia wotifie no woni adwuma na wo mu dada wo mu ton textbook no adwuma ifo ni bi akobenkro mu ena chese krono bo wo mu bo ho no no enya sam ketoa eni na chese inokunu hu no se da bi wonu ankasa tabla sem na kokoma adwuma ifo mpanifo no se Samote Hanum no, Mada, Munegua Bontain, and Mary Cono Bomono, when you do a phobia of Hanamo, Cono Womo Bomono, and your Conacatua, Nessica, Media, Julia Gunbotomono, and Yessica Catua, to say, and they make us a room penifon so no, Equada post for, I might say, Yenia Bay, Esther Brino, one knee and penifo womo, just a company Muma, Womako Benco Womo Bocro, no, Womadi can't crack up him, our quarters, he says, so boy, diabo womo, say Womo for Womo Yadia. Now, as soon as nani say, ino go so what you want more da kwana na yiri say ba ye and was miwra was home me dofo pa and was me kra no me pese me kwaji shop on was na wo wutifie adwuma wo mo warizan wonya adwuma bia na wonya sika wo he na sika wo ba na che se shop na wo kwa je no sika wo betua 35,000 Ghana cedis and ina kuti won was na 35,000 Ghana cedis dia wo benya bi wo he was wa kra emi mu sikasi ebro ena chese be man dadwi ho ade bi won tese sikani mu odu esen no ena chese wonu akasa ye investigation anya sida wo mutim ena ko dwiri ne magu sam afi company na yiri wo mu na resign no textbook wo moton no se ne gudem ho no no enya sem ketoa ena chese inokunu hu se da bi se ne yiri tifie na chese wo bot chese company no kro no ena chese wo tebra sam no ede koma chese adwuma efo no mu panifo wo mo so asam do ekoma posifo ne wo ba no ne wo na ebokro no ejina Koto.
Ya abuziantina no. Man na cheda ma ya chine yira wa ye ne wedding ankasa. This man ni straight chain can say Ghana IGP dampare. So ntimne ba o ye kromfo antina. But ska o hwa lady ni so na textbook ba ko ye saying. Na 35,000 na don't know what nya o dey ko be the store alone. Man, and yes a textbook company here. Get na real watch But Abusia, do you think the man now you're right and or you're wrong? One can be the same thing. And I can be work textbook business now. You're on the side that could dim. Either way, I think that what the man did was right in a way, but to do that to your own wife, man, that is a stretch level. Now, Buzian run a Ghana police stress statement. The bar saw Machi Shatawale Odieti say the police have arrested Charles Niyama Mensah, popularly known as Shatawale, after we publicly declared him and one other person wanted. The suspect Shatawale turned himself in today, Tuesday, 19th October 2021, at 8:59 p.m. I think they put word out there so Shatawale. And Shatawale not turning himself in. Now, I can't say everyone knows say Shatawale. I can't say we was them say picture of Mucha Shatawale as mass shots. Ghana Police Service, you guys are doing well nowadays. But say bomb picture try mo very failure o ankasa. Oliver Campbell say e picture try mo failure ankasa. Much Shatawale picture. As akwakoto adanko. What the hell is this? Look at this. And that is a money hang off for goodness just to show say Shatawale. You can't arrest SM cancer God and then make him shoot picture like Adanko or Namia cancer zebra crossing. What are you guys doing? Now, Buziandra video, I say, can say, within shatter the fake gun shooting in including that pastor and sense some man in house of the coin. If you don't hear and run, we can see at your pastor, so likely is a one shot. Not trouble Kakraso, ever follow on Shatawale, and it look like Buzian. That is exactly what is happening. Now, I don't know how our things will turn out to be, but we are here to see. Any update, Biano. He has been arrested to assist the police in investigations for his alleged involvement in the creation and circulation of information intended to cause fear and panic. Yeah, kumchacha besia, fear and panic. Yes, yeah, Nana Shatawale, Evan is a kind of my inviting. So Mebua, no omuchire nsemu, kwaya fast wa. O team ka ho, mom boy. This one is a very weird thing to say Shatawale because he wasn't the person doing it directly. It was kind of maybe with the consent from Shatawale, but investigations in as stated in previous statements, the public is advised to desist from publishing false information capable of disturbing the peace of the country or risk being arrested and prosecuted. Yeah, and I'm not I think I'm more depressed be by CID for. And no just say Shatawale no amounts to kind of a misdemeanor kind of lie this. But we are yet to see never happen. So Shatawale anger no. The pictures no mucha it wasn't good. Same thing no mucha funny face like handcuff no do shame. Never be a better say be say picture. America for kind of kind of a scale be ukoko jina ho na your twa wanim na your twa size. Very beautiful. A Ghana police here. Mu picture twanye mu ye felu oho. Oh my goodness. Now Buzian kwa final story so na nature see match. Now Buzian kwa final story so na one of my dear friends Mercy sending me story about I can say don't call ni video bi e so about guy bi a wutie nsem a guy na kan fa ne ho because the lady is not using her platform to talk about fix the country in sense. Yeah. Now you have a guy in the video, so now they waiting a guy in the you really a kahumasa man, son, you call na response to guy and then set more back a can.
Motiti akwentu mu amawo ayarefo manwa mo hyede mu a modi omho esika esisi dan wa abontin.
Now you see, so the first thing that comes in mind is say, first of all, you don't know how to talk. Second, unshede nim nyansasa because to say obiade ne ha no. Just say mo amwo brochira. What are you talking about? You have no choice over it. No option. It just come. What I say. And then you to sit somewhere and this same person who did anything shining South Ghana or better, like my goodness.
Mumra abontin na mo mane yare na esehye wo ho mo de ti akwantu mu ho no. Momfa sa fight ni bi fight na mo Ghana mo yare te se de mo mane yare ni bi no. What the
hell is this guy talking about? She said, the moment So be a Facebook page or be a YouTube channel. It doesn't mean that what you believe in, the person should also believe in. And then what you are talking about, you are treading on very light and Charlie, don't never people are, because of cell phone, cheap data and things. A man for talk anyhow they want. Ultimate talk like this about Obiba and let alone the guy crying but I think it's all from autism. What I say? Talk about my goodness. The fact say you have something to say, doesn't mean that you're all kind of right and people should follow. This is not the first person why this kind of video I saw one guy went into Kofi Adoma. The din attempt can say Kofi Adoma name nyansa Kofi Adoma the platform will show you instead of say Kofi Adoma no nsema or kano Kofi Adoma be investigate this and then talk about that in some. Dude, no one cares. What you say? Who now care about that story now? Focus on that story and then project that story to the platform now. Feel it's also betting my birthday. The eye on your person or there. Don't just come after anybody because I don't believe in that person doesn't believe in it. What you say? Now they are him.
Na don't call sorry I know about it now say na udi fufu na udi fufu must you bring it online for people to see say who did it. What dividodo. Look at this.
Everyone in the following. Obi oho ye gamer. Obi oho ye vlogger. Obi oho ton dokuno. Obi ani ne ni je ho. Ni followers is of per se oba be di fufu na mo be hwa. Wadwen ho pen ya hu se DNT still na no feel say enko fix the country videos. But odi fufu so amanfo ehwe no. Wadwen sa de no ho da. Because say ni followers, ni viewers no that is what they need. And the video me ankasa me post to on Magraheb Daily. Abusu e kwa wi adanko. E wo my London. That I don't know say anyesa me post to ana. That is what I feel like posting. It doesn't mean to fix the country. Mo amoti wa mo ye fix the country sem nyina. Met me culture of fact. So over 70% of those guys no obi di adwuma show mo nsa mama ye de basa. That is the reason why even fix the country it's not going anywhere. What you say? Because the people in charge doing all these things just say you like my goodness. Ghana anyone who are broaching us on your bio Ghana. I encounter penya. You know the exact thing I'm talking about. Me call Ghana Music Awards UK. People were saying it. Maghreb get behind Ghana and face the country. Anyone I've dealt with, Abusia for now for God. And I make cry this and then imagine a man for me kind or me many more. I'm passing through the same thing and then people have I'll let you down. So if you are talking to this person, say they should campaign to the government to fix the country. What are you talking about? No one Obiano get behind those things because it doesn't really appeal to him. And I hear because why you be paying? Send in her own little way. Now no me video or something for say Ghana public sector.
Today under our program with the IMF, the public sector is full in terms of employment. We can't employ anybody in the public sector. It is full. Perhaps we may have to even lay some off.
Private sector, and I say yes, entrepreneurs, but be a human for be taken. That's all your simple job.
When the opportunity also camera na nipa be guso 600, 700. Now would the fufu the tre womo. Uni nyansa. What do you do, huh? Mwajino a year do de. When the opportunity, you're from Gege. What you carbon so Jim Quasiasem and a way say and a way say and a way say a brown platform no okase duretri fakasa na enkran ketenkete amesi omuni sanitary pad papa aban no hu say yes e ma e fight amama
even though say you work no what point no nipa na the platform ne pa no talk about it. It doesn't matter. Now the problems are more from when the problems are nipa na nkasa on any platform no krodo nkasa pray from. You can't dictate in nipa na so creative. People follow people because of saying nipa na ye ne niji hanti follow no. That doesn't give you the moral right say nipa na ye is wrong. Tika chere ne say wrong. No ma wo ye ma for follow no. Onya ye no nkonko ya de foforo because who feel say sade ne na yeso no ye. It doesn't make any sense. Now, granted, the guy is making, valid points about, yeah, there are, people they care about those things. Your NGOs, your amount they, to say crime check for. You see, that they go, that doesn't mean that everybody can be doing that. What I say? The fact is say everyone say bia ma me ngega so camera si na nim no ka obi asem. Nkyere say ma me ngega jai no ye no kokko kire ma so social media. Obi ani na ni je hu opeso create.
What Ghana for what give me too much na me go account to mo.
Wo a we nyansani no, also na create content ya enko ba bia enti amanfu adwai. You get the point. My goodness. I don't know who this guy is. Me who I don't know Seed GHTV so. I don't know say if say on any dia will say Seed for post to use it. I don't know. But and I make an thought that one. If you are talking to say be akasa kire mpanin for example, you will see say some people are just insulting. Panin bia ni wo be fa phone and na vi can say ni beso TV. Na ye di on one akasa atem. A to Z, not one hour. So at the long run, what you feel like say, oh yes, and be not to change, it will go nowhere because it's not reaching the and nipanente. So I can, they make any change. What I say. So that's now respond no. I think say in this video now cause I use the account same way once no. Who the intend your kind we are life there different ones.
And I menum bi poda cigarette menum bi da me akasa meti yedi me nkodi akokura bi kura na chi da sa papa no me nfa bi kura da me nkoye oboya me amadwe mu de everyday mpese mbisa maye boni bia na. No, I haven't. I don't know why God give me shouting. I don't know. I always ask God, what have I done? I don't know. What am I gonna do? Chairman want to be best. Who am I? First, I'm a strong girl. I didn't choose. I didn't. Oh, you singer. Oh, bompai say radom bua. Umbani yin. The woman be go school. The woman be your brimpon. Woman be your doctors. Woman be your engineers. Woman be yes. Woman be discover in yama. Obey mena. Obey mena. I didn't choose. Say me ban be 13 years. Na me da so opportunity ne sen.
Now I think say when Nana talk about Nebano, yeah. Say Nebano you autism, what I say. Now autism is kind of nkra na omo yare Ghana your friend say in Suba said I don't know say if that is the right year. Amount for omo ma binom yare say ade no. Omo say ebinum ku omo ma because of that idea. Now imagine a person like that say no, whatever happens, I'm going to take this child, look after her and look your father say baby. Look after him, what you say, and then what they go through every single day. Meaning one lovely woman or what Ghana neba autism you referring. I think say my journey with autism. What check your Facebook page now be who. Who can you fear now how and then the banity and I is like this woman or time ankasa. Najuma boy I think say no a teacher. Najuma just to take care of one daughter. Hey, Mrs. San, the daughter not I say. Because say adia akura ni hia no akura no autism ni hia no a kid that only sa autism ni bi no enhia sa. So always you have to give them attention. And then the person like Nana our US US in your room work as okay mercy da intimate forever. Where they will be to your rent, where there so yeah you and then going through all this and then you come out say all these nasty things about on the banner because they were different for Facebook. God. You're going
Maybe the end the other one now say, oh, no bonus soon to away your socket. No. Mediani said your young pony to be bede didn't ya. That is mine. So be careful. Social media is big. Everybody's doing what they want to. You can't force people to do what you want them to do. You are a big guy. You have a page. You want to do what you want to do. Continue. Nigerian woman, but say, continue. But don't come and tell me. I'm not your wife. Don't you dare. Don't make that mistake again.
Now, Andy, I was a tough lady because the whole video but even though say NDA respond on my trial and key videos no YouTube description as well in case of person here. Yeah, I think I'm share another video. Messi sending me another video of NDR. Oh, yeah, not what. Maybe after video, no, not all read it through the comments. Like it was emotional, Ankasa. I'll try and put a little bit because what I say, put a little bit at the end of the video. Now you get to understand. But what I will have to say before this video in Bebani said. To say the medical the fact to say be our train say fix the obie ni wa on pese ye be fix Ghana obie ni wo betimi aka say okay sene Ghana asay no sa na me pe no e bia capital but you know that no dey no nti ase wo because corruption no does one afa obia benya ka Ghana ko nanim obia benya ka Ghana fix it. But there are a couple simple things abusia we should need to do first. The fact is our platform I won't kasa about a deal we name ko baby no obi de odi fufuo kura na amanfo ehwe na won't see no nasia learn how to leverage your audience. Say be anytime there you post things they'll come and watch every single day be so people online just to say hi to their followers, create something a be more followers any ache every day be na post to call live about 5 6 7 times I thought that could even more just to keep her following going. Do you put in that much time, that much dedication? And if she is doing all this and build something for herself, find a medium, feelings or then you get a problem with it. Why? Because it's our post to content and I said, this na Jimmy not Facebook no so e using the followers na the platform ni di fufu well abuzi ayan corner na video no so wrap this up ne guy na I don't know who he is and the full video the I don't even need to watch it because you can't just talk about Obi Bawo Yari in this way because you think say talk about fix the country yeah corner na video no so
a few days ago boy bia me hu no social media da and he did a video about me eating on social media and he say but America na major benefit and me wa platform instead of me to use my platform wisely me didn't asem and I did a video I was eating and I just talk about it and I just saw another page on Facebook wama extra me video na wama de ato wama page and I'm sitting here crying because it's not like I watch the video now wama de ato platform and I'm reading the comments. The comment is right now is 877 comments, and I'm reading the comments. And what that's Charlton. Charlton, come here. He don't sleep. I don't want to do anything like that on social media because I'm a big girl. I am a big girl. But I'm not crying because of my situation. I'm crying because of the comments that the love people have shown me. I don't know why you guys love me so much. I can't look through the comment because I don't want to cry. But I don't know why you guys love me so much and support me so much. But reading this comment on the video, it tells me that you guys really care about me. And thank you for everybody who commented. This boy, I don't know what he get his information from. But I said it's not we want Ghana to fix, so I do. But I have noticed something in Ghana for say. We just want to destroy each other. We want to destroy you. They don't care. I have done so many videos about fix the country. I have done so many. But they don't see that. They just want to insult you. And they want to use something that is very, very dear in your heart to insult you. And his video that he did, he said it to the point that he said that I will continue to have Nkola Yarofo. He said that on his video. All in the name of and he have a page, and his page, I was expecting for somebody who is talking about that I should use my phone, my page to do. No, I was expecting his page, so back kasa about everything have to be on Fix the Country. But I went through his page. He's posting the trend things that it doesn't have anything to do with trending. Fix the Country. So because you are talking about Fix the Country, you have, even you that you are insulting me, you have taken a break. Abrantia, you are posting something different on your page. We're posting food different as it's things that's shouting or Kasano. That's shouting. By this time he's supposed to sleep. And he don't sleep. He don't sleep. You don't know what I am going through, Abrantia. So you didn't mean Kabehu brabe bre. You don't do that. I don't want to come on social media and have back and front with people. But we have to stop Ghana for you. You're wicked, Dodo. You're so wicked. Just because you are talking about Fix the Country and the person doesn't talk about Fix the Country, you have to insult them. Meanwhile, you are posting something that they have nothing to do with Fix the Country.
Yeah, Busiana in a video, no, it was emotional, because sometimes, people are really good. Say, humanity, because I thought that we are able to decode and, subtract some form from some part. Because idea we say post to maybe you have a platformer, a man for bear appreciate, a man for any better home. They will, give you fines, some badge or so, because they think say you are talking sensible stuff. But then it comes to, there are things that also address. Now, if you can say, Facebook Live, and say if you use your platform to talk about more social issues, which at times, and then find ways and means a bit miaka, a better now, at least, or tenacity again, because okay, near guy, you can make sense. Let me try and then change things. But the old bringing a bow or yari autism, the bob bedin at him. Nah, the fact say you have social media doesn't mean say you can talk about anything. Bible cracker say what you know the fatayem. Abuzia net video no. Video was brought to you by abexpress.com. Abuzia abexpress the website a bit me akwa Ghana no ma bia wo hia. Say yentoma, say ye kente, wo ye event bi wo hia ntoma bebre. Kwa abexpress.com. And for one baby we are for number abuzia or best put the abroad direct. Men link your video no. E wo YouTube video description as well. But before say about the video no, there show short video way.
Video let us say. The more kwa baba abexpress.com. abexpress.com the media ya mo agato phone ni abanyina ni akwaboa no ni dia be abexpress.com e dia na wo be free Ghana ana Africa empaboa na satade kente papa bi na wo pe na wo dia dada wo ho party ase ana bibia wo hwe bia bra abexpress.com ya dia akwaboa ni amanu o ya de bre wo kwa abexpress.com ya dia mu ahwene e na wo hwehwe wo Europe abroad chire ana wo America Australia no ho na wo na that's Asia na otie na bia wo bia ensuro kura e do ne so ba abexpress.com na dia wo hwehwe no wo sabeka abexpress.com we dia ye mo abexpress.com we dia papa abexpress.com ya de Ghana twa abrochire ho
so ya abuzia abexpress.com no so up Africa no matter ko ho abuzia benya biato ya drop new video Magraheb daily and Magraheb react link here no na me no YouTube video description as well click so na ko check it out we enjoy yankasa. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to your YouTube channel na click wado man so new video be and buy now saka till we meet again abuzia. Adios.